Nang yai her ki yai rakhe naga benta ban ken mau ya ke jinya linti jong kari India ka bai ki jongi ban ngiru hagane ka sngi ngiyo igane ka lat ban ken mau ya ke jinya linti jong kari Bohol district ka bai ki jongi lengkot agane ka por naga liang ka jonga ngas ngau ban ken mau burom ya ki longshwa ki jongi ki dang don ki badang im hadok kini ki sngi ba menta ki don ki balalek no na khmat ki jongi ki balong ki riu pho sniu naga benta kane ka dong ri bhoi ka bai ki jongi ka balarangin kan mau ki por wadang ki por binang khna ru ni dang yu i ka ei ki Bohol district ha ku por but ni sngau kemen ni da sngau ru ya ki nong yalam ki jongi ki badon ya kane ka jing pho sniu naga benta ki pajba jong ka dong ri bhoi bangin ya rangkat kardan bat ki weipat ki balaya sakhmat ki jongi ngis ngau burom ki namar kata kadau namar ki umsep namar ki jingmut ki jing perkhat ki bamaki ki don naga benta ban kentiu yangi ki khun ki khti jong ka dong ri bhoi ka bai ki jongi ngis ngau ban ong khublei shibon ya ki mati ya ki sinjam ya ki jingmut ki jing perkhat ka ba phiradon naga benta ka Bohol district ka bai ki jongi kadai ka poru ya ka ba ngin ai khublei lane ban ai ka jing songu ya ki officer sarkar ki bala train nadu ka ba sedang jong ka Bohol district ki jongi nadu ki DC ki SP bat ki wei ki officer ki staff ki badan hapo ka Bohol district ki jongi dei lang ba ka jingnya don bantalang ki jongki ka jing sim khialang ki jongki ba ka Bohol district ki jongi kanang kiu nakaway kapor, sa kaway pat kapor. Nama kata ngasngoban ai ka jing khublei nakabanta ka jong kiru kumju. Hoy ka Bohol district ka jongi kalanang yai, kalanang kiu, kalanang roy nakaway kapor, sa kaway pat kapor. Henry kadang don ki kam ki babon ba ki bakum ka district ngidang hap ban simkhia ya kaban yarap nakabanta ban kentiu ya ka dong ri Bohol ka bai ki jongi mensyua ka por ka bang impat yo ka Bohol district kalong sisya ka jing ka bakrau na ka banta ki pajba jong ka Bohol district ki snong se ki nong kendong bakin la ban pendep ki kam ki babon ki baide bat ki kam hapok ki office sarkar ngi hap ban be nang ne selu selong handrai menta ha ka bang ilayo ka Bohol district kala pensuk sibun bat kumjuru kambiang tangkumta ngi ban pensuk yo pajba ka don kam baki office sarkar kinjan chopoj ba kilang don ki kam ki badang sateng ki bana kaliang jong kari Bohol dorbar kadang persyang ban ya buddin rangkat kumju bat mangi kinong mi khmat ru ha ka bangin nang la banang penkha ya ka civil sub division ki bangi ju angnut naga benta ka dong western ri Bohol ki jongi ngi kermen bahapo ka jingelam jong kari Bohol dorbar kini ki jang angnut jong ki pajba jong ka dong ri Bohol jongi kan urlong haki singi banwan ngipek kijing nang bon jong ki snong kijing nang bon jong ki pajba nong song snong ki jongi ngilanang don kamru banang penmi susu ya ki CNRD block hapo jong ka dong ri Bohol ki jongi khamtam ya ka umling CNRD block kabala he la banong hapo ka Bohol district ki jongi kabala he hadu kata-kata kalong kijing sitom ka bakrau na ka banta ki pajba nong song snong ki jongi bakin la ban pendep ki kam ki babon hapo jong ka CNRD block ki jongi hamling namar ka jing jengai jong kilinti ke sengkin namar kata kum ki nongmi khmat kum ki nongyalam ki bapher ki badon hapo jong ka dong ri Bohol ki jongi tong ini sim ya ka jingmut ya ka ju ka sur ya ka bangin la ban wanra ya ki kampen roy hapo jong ka dong ri Bohol ki jongi ban nang pensuk ya ki pajba nong song snong ki jongi ngas ngawru ban ai khublei ka ne ka por na ka banta ki samla ki jongi ki bujuan ra ya ka nam ka burom bat mantaka sngi ru ngiyo I hapo jong ka program ban facilitate lane ban penkup buram yaki aya kane ka Meghalaya game ka baladep ka ban nakaliang jong ka Bohol district ka Bohol sport association kawan balai ha ka jingyo ai ka nam ha ka ban ra ai ka nam bat ka buram jong ka Bohol district ki jongi ka jing simbanta ka jong phi ka long sibanta ban kentiu ya ka Bohol district ki jongi nama kata ngasngo ban ong khublei sibon ya phi kum ki samla ki badang khi dang san ki balong ka lawai jong ka dong ka jongi ba phen nang simkhia ba phin nang don ye ka ben sim jong ka jingkut jingmut ha ka ba phin nom pen le na e ya ka sap ka ba uble ula ai ha phi nginang ye kiu sakmat ha ka ba ngin don ya ka jingkut jingmut ha de marwe ngi khmi len tiru ba kiri boy district ke jongi kanang kiu na kowe ka por sa kowe pat ka por da ka jing tip briu ka jing tip blai da ka ba ngin la ban wan ra ya ka nam ba ko burom bat kumju ru banang kentiu ya la ka jong ka dong ba ka thain ke jongi ngas ngo ban ai khuble ye phiru ha ka ne ka por ya baro ki ba ya poilang ha ka ne ka singi ki ban ya simbentalang bat ngi ha ka ne ka singi ban kenmau ya ka ne ka singi dong ini kut jing mut lang ya ka bangin kentiu ya kri boy district ki jongi laha ino ibenta ka bangi ngi don ngine siem ni ka jingkit kli na ka benta ban kentiu ya ka dong ba ka thain ke jongi te ka ne ka por ngam don sibun ki kentien ban kren tang ki jing kentukan pham bani ai men sim lang yengi ha ka ne ka singi ban kenmau ya ka ne ka singi ka ba khrau jong kri boy district ke jongi te khuble sibun khuble si hajar ngo
check khuble sibun ba balajet rani yaki ke jingkren ke jongpi ke long ke jingkren ke badon jingmut bat ke bakrau do kata-kata ngi ai khuble ba pindang yo ai kemat ke basat bakhlan bat kham tam ni khmi lenti ba usinyang ba uben he ba phipin peno na ka benta ka constituency ken long ke jingker khu na ka benta upat ba jong ka constituency bat jong ka ribhoi hi bro ka we bat ngaso banong ba kapor kadawa yangi kapateng ka bementa bangin i ya ki kam bat ki mati ki babha khnang ba kalawe ka bansawan kin yo ban ya thu khana ban ya lap ban ya wer pateng la pateng ki kam bat ya usinyang ubangin temot na ka benta ka jongki. They say humanity is not lost. It lives on in the deeds of selfless people who toils day and night to make this world a better place for everyone. We are indeed proud to have such people in our midst, people who have contributed a lot to the society. As a token of good gesture and appreciation, we will distribute token of award to them. Ngan puli ki kerteng jong kini ki parlok ki jongi ki penyo pedang kini ki jingai ngubha kini ka step bat kat bangadang puli ki kerteng ki jong ki ngubha ban kirpat ki pakin subha ban wan yang shani shakmat bat kita kilong i mardondor silyang nakli umtro Lily thank you na rangmen Julisha inghi na paham dumu Median thank you na nong birthem la kirpat ikini ki sawat ki kerteng ki bangladep ban penpuli kin subhaban shini shakmat ki nongmi khmat na ka nangte yaka lawai vo na mauling khong ki nongmi khmat na po thamei bayar CLF jong ka umsning cluster bat ka yasno khtilang vo na mau pro ki idarihun pengrop na saat red riti lendo na rangmen Wanda yang SM na umso panan bat imaja senthem na umsaw nong pri. Well, ladies and gentlemen, at the outset, we will distribute award to the following recipient who have contributed immensely for the betterment of our society. And to do the honor, may I invite our Deputy Commissioner, Shri Arpit Upadhyaya, IAS, to kindly give away the award to the following recipient. Please, sir. Te parlok akan ka por ngin sam kini ki khusnam kini ki parlok ki jongi ki balala ban le bha ban ai ki jing shakri kum ki asha ki snong bat ki dong ki paper hakani ka por nga kerpat ikini ki nongshim ki award bakin subhaban yang ka benta ka bah pedeng jong kani ka rinsan ngan khot ye imar dondor silyang na kli umtro village. Mentang an khot ya Lily thank you narangmen. ngan khot I Julisha inhi na paham dumu. Ngan khot I median thank you na nong Berthem. Ngan khot ya inang te ya ka lawe I nong mi khmat na po nang te ya ka lawe VO na maulong khong. I chairman lani secretary jong ka thame bayar CLF. But I secretary lani I president jong ka yasno ktilang VO na Mau Pro village. Kani kapor kerpat ikiniki parlok ki jongi kin subhaban one shnisha po. Please stay back, sir. Ngan khot ikiniki parlok ki jongi bikin subhaban one shnisha khmat. Darihun pengrop na saat red Ritu Lingdo na rangmen Wanda yaini SM na umsok panan Majas sentham na saunong bri I President dan Secretary jong ka Maulong Nong Tulu Village saunong bri bat ka kon kin subhaban shini shikmat. Te parlok akin ka por ngin sami ni ki award shakini ki parlok ki jongi ki blala ban ayo sinyang na ka benta ban train na ka benta ka jing bha jong ki emlang salang kum ki agan wadi akan ka por ngan khot ya dari hun pengrop na saat red ngan khot ya Ritu Lingdo na porang man kini ki kerteng ki bangla puliai kin subhawan shni shikmat Ritu Lingdo na rangmen Wanda yaini SM na sok panan Majas sentham na saunong bri Wanda yaini SM na sok panan lada pidan hangli subhawan shni shikmat ngan khot I Majas sentham na saunong bri mentangan khot I President dan Secretary jong ka Maulong Nong Tulu Village IVCS ben subhawan shni shikmat I secretary lani president jong ka Maulong Nong Tulu IVCS I president lani secretary jong ka saunong bri IVCS but I President dan Secretary jong ka kon IVCS. Ngan khot ya Secretary lani rangba asnong jong ka Yamkhon Village, but ya meidu thank you ba in subhawan shini shikmat. Hakani kapor ngan khot ya rangba asnong lani Secretary snong jong ka snong Yamkhon ba in subhawan shini shikmat, banwan shim ya ka award kum ka snong ka bakrut tam hapo ka Ribhoy District. Hakani kapor ngan khot ye meidu thank you I try dukan jong ka dukan sha ka badon hang tai halat san Michael ka bolong ka wei na ki dukan sha ki balala ban bat ya ka jingkhot ka jingsuba ngi khimilenti ba ki usinyang jong kini ki rangba asakmat kin longro ka nuksa na ka benta jong I iwei pa iwei haki pateng ki banwan. Las ngutho bakini kirangba kim don ringkat batngi tekene kapor ngakirpat ya iba arbi shadab ba in subha banwan shanish khmat namar ba kini ki I rangba kim la ban don ringkat batngi. So the following recipient could not be with us here, so for the rest of the awardee we will continue in a while. Thank you very much, sir. This afternoon, we are very fortunate to have in our midst the Superintendent of Police, Shri Giri Prasad IPS. So I will now invite him to kindly come forward and address the gathering. Please, sir.
Oh, award this one.
Yeah. Award, no?
No, speech. I think.
Speech, no? Speech.
Award or speech? Speech. Huh.
So go ahead. I'm
Yeah. So, very good afternoon to one and all present here. So, in fact, it's a great honor for me to be present here as a part of the 30th Foundation Day of Riboy District. In fact, I am very honored to be a part of this Darbar, which is one of the most energetic ones. And also, I also thank Ba Shadab for inviting me to be a part of this esteemed program. And I would also thank our Honorable MLA, Nongpo, our Deputy Commissioner, sir, as well as our Honorable MDCs and all other dignitaries present in the function. So first of all, I would like to appreciate that I worked in many parts of Meghalaya, even before. So in Sora, in different districts. So but what I found after coming to Riboy is that Riboy is one of the very vibrant districts in the state of Meghalaya. I can see the people are very entrepreneurial, are very talented, also that they are achieving in different ranges, in different careers and in different fields. Also, one good coincidence is that I would like to tell that one of our Riboy district police personnel has brought laurels to the state of Meghalaya. Yesterday, he has won a silver medal in National Arm Wrestling Championship. So I would like to announce it, and I think it's a mere coincidence. And he will be representing India internationally in the Turkey world level arm level championship. So I am very honored to announce you that. And in fact, it's not the only one, and there are many such talented officers. I would like to also thank Ba Bobby, his very, very proactive measures in the field of sports, which has brought laurels to the district. So I also like to thank our previous leaders who has
Sir.